Hey everyone, so in today's video, we're going to talk about why hiring the right real estate attorney is so important for your transaction. So many people aren't aware, but after you get an offer accepted in New Jersey, you go into what is called an attorney review period. That is where both the buyer and the seller's attorney are going to review the contract and make any edits or changes that they suggest based on the particular property you are buying. So the first thing I get asked sometimes from buyers, because an attorney does cost money, do they really need one for the transaction? And yes, I always highly suggest using a real estate attorney to purchase property. The attorney is going to help you and work on your best behalf, as well as your agent, to help negotiate anything that needs to be changed in the contract, but as well as inspection-wise, if you need to negotiate credits or repairs before the closing, they're gonna work on your behalf to get that done, as well as they're going to arrange all the paperwork to be ready at closing to really make the process as stress-free as possible for you as their client. Another thing I want to stress is when you do go to hire an attorney, make sure that they are a real estate attorney. There are attorneys that only practice for certain things, and you want to make sure they know the real estate market, they know how contracts work, as well as the whole process, so they are representing you to your best behalf. And lastly, as far as choosing an attorney, you could always ask for recommendations from your friends or family that have purchased, as well as your agent you're working with. Most agents have been in the business. They know the good attorneys that are responsive, quick, and get the job done. So you definitely want to take in recommendations for consideration. I also do know that some companies, especially around New Jersey and New York City, do offer what they call corporate sponsored attorneys. Now, these are great because your company might help pay for some of the attorney fees or work out something with you. However, I do want to emphasize most of these attorneys collect what they call a retainer or a payment up front before they've even done anything for you. That means they've already gotten paid for or partially paid for the job. You want someone that's going to be responsive, act quick and fast, and not jeopardize the deal. So just remember, sometimes when you pay people up front, they know they've already got the money, and so they don't work as hard, they don't communicate as fast. And of course, in New Jersey, the longer you stay in attorney review, the longer the home is on the market for more people to see and buyers to make offers. Because at the end of the day, until you're out of attorney review and both attorneys have agreed on price, terms, and all other things for the contract, the home can still be shown by the sellers where they can accept another offer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip about real estate attorneys, the attorney review process, and how to choose the right attorney. I, of course, have great attorneys I work with, so if you're in the process or thinking about buying or selling, have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.